Hello everyone, my name is Noyara Beslawula, and this is a speech about my essay. So the reference is from an article entitled Students' Experience of Bullying in High School and Their Adjustment and Motivation During the First Semester of College. Adolescence, especially at the senior high school level, is an important period in forming self-identity and building social relationships. Interaction with peers should be a main part of students' daily life, and it should also be a place to learn and grow. However, in reality, it does not always happen in a positive way. Bullying is one of the problems that still often occurs in educational environments and friendship. This phenomenon can harm others mentally, physically, financially, and others way. Bullying has also become easier to do, imitate, and copy because of technological advances. People can misuse the easy access to information in an unwise way. Therefore, if bullying happens during adolescence, especially in high school, it can disturb a student's psychological condition and even cause trauma to the victim. The high school period is very crucial because students will experience a transition from high school to college, which is clearly different. If during this transition process a student carries trauma from being bullied and has poor psychological well-being, it can affect their early college life. This transition period, if handled well, can help students adjust to a new environment, culture, academic demands, friendship, and others. If it goes well, it will help them survive in college life. Therefore, we need to know whether the impact of bullying in high school will affect the victim's life when entering college. In the research article entitled Students' Experience of Bullying in High School and Their Adjustment and Motivation During the First Semester of College, it is stated that there is a negative relationship between bullying in high school and college motivation and adjustment. A negative relationship here means that when one variable increases, the other variable decreases. In the study, it means that the higher the bullying experience students had in high school, the lower their motivation to attend college, and the more difficult it is for them to adjust in the first semester of college. The findings show that students who were victims of bullying in high school tend to have lower motivation and experience more problems in academic, social, and emotional adjustment at the beginning of college. This means that bullying experience in high school still have an impact when they enter higher education. Bullying experience in high school make victims feel less confident, feel small, and feel unable to be in their environment. This happens because their past school experience were painful and caused trauma. As a result, when entering college, they tend to experience a motivation or a lack of desire to study and have low extrinsic motivation. They do not see college as something important or beneficial for their future because their previous educational experience were associated with pain and negative treatment. In addition, victims of bullying often have difficulty adjusting. They may find it hard to make friends, feel anxious, or feel uncomfortable in a new environment. Because of this, they may struggle to follow lessons, socialize, and feel like part of the class or campus. There is even a possibility that those unpleasant experiences are carried over or happen again in college. As we know, bullying cases can also occur at the college level. So based on the discussion above, it can be concluded that bullying in high school does not only have an impact at that time, but it can also affect victims when they enter college. Bullying experience have a negative relationship with students' motivation and adjustment ability in the first semester. The higher the bullying experience, the lower the learning motivation and the greater the difficulty in adapting academically, socially, and emotionally. This impact can last for a long time or continue in a new environment because victims may develop trust issue with people around them and making them more cautious. Painful memories from the past can make them anxious that it will happen again. However, this condition can also make them vulnerable to being bullied again because others may see them as powerless. Therefore, it is hoped that everyone can take their role in preventing bullying, respecting and valuing others, choosing to embrace rather than mock. It is also expected that universities, lecturers, and staff will take an active role in creating a safe and respectful campus environment. Thank you.